Hello, dear friends. This is Phone Support Channel. Before you start watching this video, please subscribe to the channel and give it a like. And also write your feedback in the comments if this video helped you, or if you have any questions. Thank you. In this video, I want to show and tell you how you can turn on the black theme in TikTok. That is, you have your TikTok account, you have a standard white theme, but here you do not change when you turn on the black theme on your iPhone or an Android. But there is a way in which you can automatically make it so that you will constantly turn on the black theme in TikTok as soon as you go into it. How to do it? It's very simple. You log into TikTok. Now here you need to go to your profile. Then at the top, click on the three bars. Now here, click on Setting and Privacy. Then go a little lower and look for the item Display. Click and here select Dark. We have now enabled the black theme. Now we can exit here, exit, and we have automatically set the dark theme. And now we can use TikTok and it will be completely black and it will not change even if we turn on light mode, dark mode on our iPhone or Android. That is all the time will be close mode in TikTok, as you can see. This is a very simple and quick way. Done. There's nothing complicated about it. If you like this video, put likes and subscribe to the channel. And also watch other useful videos on the channel. That was Phone Support. Bye. See you later.